Never a dull moment with this girl. We're having some issues with her breathing. We're getting PO 301. I don't know. The catalytic converter codes. Anyways, I got new parts ordered for her. But here's the thing, I called the dealership to get parts to replace, to fix her. She just got a little bit of a rough idle. But yeah, left, right, Y pipe, and the downpipe. $5,200. I go on the website out of the US. Same parts, $1,600 US. Works out to $2,200, a $3,000 difference. What is going on here in Canada with the price of parts? I don't get it. Anyways, parts should be here by the 13th, today being the 5th. So, just going to have a little bit of a rough idle till then. But, $3,000 difference? Wow. I don't know, man. Make it make sense. But soon the old girl, she'll be breathing again and she'll be. And we had to ixnay our bumper dude, number 2. We got a new guy, and he is super eager, and he's local to me. So, fingers crossed, third time's a charm. This thing's gonna get a bumper. Because, well, she needs one. Anyways, that is the latest what's going on with Betty and the build. We'll see you guys on the next video.